Hi, I'm Laura from 5 out of 4 Patterns and welcome to Sewing School. I don't know about you, but I really love box pleats. I think they're lovely. They've got such a nice, just a nice look to them, a nice finished professional look. And you know, if you've watched any of these videos, you know how much I love a nice professional finished looking product. And so today we're going to talk about the box pleat. And I've got all of my all of the things that I need to get started, so we're going to jump right in. The first thing we need to do is fold our fabric in half. I've got my fabric here. We're going to fold our fabric in half and we are going to mark the center piece. Now, we need to make sure that we have placed the markings that were on the pattern piece. We've actually put those on our fabric itself. No guesswork here. Follow the pattern. It's a good idea. So we've opened up our skirt and we have it right side up. Now, I've got my pins and it says here to place a pin at every pleat mark. So all right, so we've done that. Let's move on to step number 3. It says pick up your first pin. We'll start over here. All right, and fold the skirt over so that your pin, this first pin, is on top of the third pin. So 1, 2, 3. So we're going to put these together. All right, so we've done that. Pin to pin. All right, now you're going to want to baste down this pleat placement mark about 1 to 2 inches. So I'm going to actually pin these together. I'm going to remove one of the pins. Okay, so we're going to baste down 1 to 2 inches right there. Okay, so I'm back. We see that we have the basting stitch down here. Now it says to repeat that exact first pin folds over to the third pin on the other pleats as well, which I have done, and you baste again just like you did on the first one. You baste down, so you can see baste down about 1 to 2 inches, I should say. So you can see I've got 3 pleats here. Now the next step is to take each pleat and we're going to press it. Now what you need to do, let's just work on one pleat here. I've put a dark colored fabric here on my bench so that you can see a little bit better because everything was kind of gray. You're going to, you've got this space here, okay, kind of a hole here. You're going to spread that so the equal parts of fabric are on either side of this stitch. So you have that center marking. You're going to just put that at the stitch line, at the pleat stitch line. And so you have an equal amount of fabric on the left side and on the right side, on both sides, okay? And then you're going to press that. Okay, and you're going to repeat that on the other ones as well. Okay, so we're going to match that up. We're going to find that line, put that on the stitch line, and it just takes a little bit of maneuvering to make it all look just right, but it's not hard. Okay, and now for the last one. Make sure we trim all of our threads there. Okay, make sure our line is where it should be. There we go. Moving your fabric as you need to and press. Now what you're going to do is you're going to go to your sewing machine and you're going to baste across each pleat that we just made. And I'll be right back after I get that done. Okay, so I've got to just snip off my final threads here. Okay, one more I think. Oh, no, all right. And there it is. There are your box pleats. Well, there we have it. We have our box pleats all done. I don't know about you, but I just think they're super fun to make. So I hope you will join us next time on Sewing School. Bye.